Keto has a long name, and Keto can introduce herself. This is Keto. She's a
Double-yellow-headed Amazon.
devil yellow-headed Amazon, is what this species is called. It's a phrase she's heard a lot, and that's that mimicry thing. Okay, she's lived around here for a really, really long time, so she mimics all kinds of different stuff. You want to show her your kitty cat? Oh, how about the big scary tiger? Yeah, it's terrifying. Okay, now she doesn't normally do this with me out here, so hopefully she's ready to go. Keto, let's sing. There's a warm up.
Oh, McDonald had a farm. Oh, and on that farm had a hen.
That's when something incredible happened. People took notice, they took action, they cleaned up the waterways with the bald eagle's fish, and stopped using a chemical pesticide, DDT, major cause of this and many other birds' decline.
Yeah, exactly. So it was people like all of you that made changes, and that brought a species back from the brink of extinction.